I know this will not be easy, but I am glad it is coming out this way. At least I have cleared my conscience.
Mom. Yes, my baby. Why are we here? I don't like this place. It has no balcony.
I'm sorry, darling. We're not staying here for so long, okay?
Okay, Mom. When are we going home?
Home? I'm not sure we'll be going home. But I will be taking you to somewhere better. Far better than home. A place where you will be very happy.
Will Dad be happy too? Will he come with us?
Yes. Daddy will be very happy.
Will he come with us?
Well, when the time is right, Daddy will come. Alright?
I want to know when Dad will come with us to the happy home.
Like I said, Daddy will come when the time is right. For now, you need to go back to sleep. Okay?
Why am I not going to school again, Mom?
You need some rest.
But I was not told we're going on break in my school.
My baby, can you sleep? Let's talk about this tomorrow.
Okay, Mom.
Yes, Dad.
Are you angry?
No. I'm not angry.
What is this now? Eh? God. When I pray that my son should be greater than me, I didn't add that he should be nonchalant. Eh? Which kind of son will not pick his father's call? What kind of son is this that will ignore his father's call for this long? Eh?
Hello, Papa. Papa, please, I cannot talk to you now. I'll call you tomorrow when I'm out from police cell. You can imagine, Aunt got me arrested and locked me up. Papa, this is the kind of woman you want me to have peace with. That will never happen. Papa, I'm going to deal with her and her family if she do not bring out my son.
Ken. Yes. Look, the aunt that I saw today is not someone that is capable of calling police on you. Hello? 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 He called the call on me. I don't know my son anymore. When did hey God? When did he start this? His terrible lies. What kind of son is this?
Landlord. Mr. Landlord. Landlord! How did you enjoy the mini vacation I extended you? I can see that you're so hungry. You must be hungry. Oh, poor you. So sorry I went out with all my keys.
I am going to come back for you.
Take your stupid face out of my house.
When I do,
Don't even come close to this essence.
I am going to teach you a lesson that you never forget in a hurry.
Action and not words. Madman. Don't even try it. Else I'll slit your throat open. You should have come close now. Who are you? Oh, the kitchen was locked. Oh. You're even lucky I didn't charge you for my unit. I allowed you to enjoy the AC in the room. Useless man. Stupid idiot. You think he's Anne? Foolish man.
All I'm saying, you shouldn't have gone to create a scene. None of our friend is happy with you right now. Come on. Kenny should have avoided the embarrassment.
I'll make her pay.
I will make her pay. I will get her arrested. She conspired with Anne to take my son away. Ken, what has gone wrong with you? What is going on with you? Is there something going on that I do not know? Because I don't get it. If you were in my shoes, you would have gone mad by now. I have told you twice. Go to that hospital. Speak with the doctor over your son. And then when that is done, you can go back to her family, requesting for your son so you can go for the DNA. Is that not better enough? I will go to their house and I'm taking war to that place. I am taking war there.
Must go down. You they run kitty kitty, they run kata kata. They jump up and down like a mother. They look for trouble, oh. Try, they make it trouble, oh. Onyen soguo, or chokuo, very soon, Ige bapa, as you go round, causing commotion. Very soon you go regret your action, oh. Uparu poko puru ntichilia, oh. Your body they hot like fire, like fire. Your temper they hot, you know they tire. You know they tire. You they feel like lion.
I'm not going to kill myself. See this is coming on you, just
Officer, look at them. Look at the parents of the kidnappers. Look at them. Go ahead and do your work.
Stand up,
Ken,
Okay.
if you're a man enough, why did you not go for paternity test?
Officer, why don't you go ahead and arrest these people? Do your work, please.
Stand up.
For?
Kidnapping.
Kidnapping who?
Meat or cow. Kidnap what? What are you saying? Stand up, let's go.
No, kidnapping who? For God's sake.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Officer,
Stand up.
Don't touch me like
Stand
that.
up. I tell you to stand up.
Madam,
Officer,
move.
do your work.
Madam, move.
Arrest these people.
Move.
Stand up.
I think you know who you are pushing.
Move.
Don't push him.
I'll push
What's
you.
wrong with you?
Move.
Don't push him. He's moving.
Madam, move.
You don't need to push him. He's moving.
Keep going.
This man, you don't like this, your uniform.
Move, my friend.
Mr. Stubborn child, you have ears, but refuse to hear. You know the fear. Hey, you don't even care. War is what you want to. Child, I keep You have been advised, but you no agree. You refuse to see. Say.
No, how could you do a thing like this? How could you do a thing like this? Do you know you have worsened the whole situation?
Luchy, do not shout at me. Please. Do not. This is my affair.
Really?
Yes.
You remember how this whole thing started? I warned you. If you have swallowed your dirty pride and fixed this thing on time, it wouldn't have gotten to this point. What has come over you?
You're not married. When you get married, you handle your family the way you want it. I've chosen to handle mine with iron hand. Do you understand?
What makes you think you even have a family now? Yes, you're not sure if you have a family. Because you really do not know what is about to befall you.
Are you wishing me evil? Do not wish me evil, because nothing will befall me. Good luck.
I'll do anything to bring my son back.
As you go round, causing commotion. Very soon you go regret your action.
Should I love you?
Your body they hot like fire.
Don't lock it. Go and call the weather to bring it down. Then they fix it back. Okay? Yes. And make sure you weld yourself to the gates.
Idiot. Don't lock it. Come and lock me.
Please, I don't want you to go. Please, stop. And stop, please. Can you just get out of my way? If you step out in this anger, you're going to do something you will live to regret. Please.
Do not block my way. Do not.
Anne, listen to me. You have a loaded gun in your bag, and I don't want you to do something wrong, please.
You know what? You see that fool? I am going straight to deal with him. Who is he to think that he can lay his filthy hand on my father and get away with it? No way. Allow me go and deal with that idiot.
I understand, but you have a loaded gun in your bag. Please, think about what you're doing.
Joanne, if you block me one more time, I will forget that you are my friend and use the gun on you first. Out of my way. Now.
I don't want to do this. DPO. She's at my door. Yes, and she's with a gun. Please come and arrest her, please. She's at the door right now, DPO. Okay, okay.
What's going on? What is wrong with her?
Oga, madam. I don't know. Me and madam they knock. They knock, madam they knock. They knock, madam they knock. Oga no agree open the door.
Seriously?
Eh? I don't know.
Bro! Bro, it's me, your sister! Bro! Bro! This is strange. Let me come. It's not picking. It's not picking his call. Bro! Open this door! Jumbo!
Yes, madam.
Why did my brother lock the door?
Madam, no. Oga no agree open door. Or make I go help you knock.
What's going on? I've been knocking for hours.
I don't know, no agree open door. Move! Come, madam.
What is going on?
Move her! Come, madam. Madam, move. Oga, open the door. Oga, open the door. You want to gas, so. Ha. Oga, open the door. Open the door, Oga. Ha. Oga, open the door.
God, please, let this not be true. I cannot imagine leaving you for another man to come and claim you. Yes, officer. Yeah, please take her away. I don't want to set my eyes on her. Okay? And make sure she tells you my son's whereabouts. Okay. Thank you so much.
What is the meaning of this? Huh? Has he got into this?
If not that you're a good man, I would have shot you right now.
Please, put the gun away. Put it away. This thing can go off, or put it away.
Ken arrested my parents.
Ken did what? Hey, my God. Ken! Ken! Why can't you just think like a man for once?
This is not why I am here, sir. I give your son 3 hours. 3 hours to get my parents released. Or he would not like what I would do.
Ken!
Why this time? Why? Why did you have to go back? Why? Tell me this is true. I told her not to go there with a gun. But she refused to listen to me. I told her that it was a bad idea, that it was all going to lead to a great disaster. But she did not listen. She did not listen.
Please, what exactly happened to her?
I heard the police got her with a gun. And on trying to escape, she was shot. Oh no. This is so bad. Ken has killed the only woman who ever loved him. Ken will suffer. Ken will die an untimely death. He shall never be well with him.
It's okay.
Oh, God.
It's okay.
Ken, I want to ask you a few questions before I say my mind.
Well, go ahead and ask me whatever you want to ask me, but do not ask me to forgive.
Why did you arrest her parents?
Because I believe they know my son's whereabouts.
Now, go and release them this minute. Go and get them released.
Papa, I want my son. They will remain there if they do not give me my son.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, now, I want you to tell me the truth. What did she actually do? Huh? Why and how did this madness start? What actually did she do wrong? Did she cheat on you? I mean, what is wrong in her selling her own property to help her own brother? What is wrong with that? Huh? Have you forgotten so soon how she picked you from the gutters and made you what you are today?
That is the problem. Papa, that is the problem. She thinks she can do anything she wants to do in this marriage just because she made me what I am today. Eh? Papa, I've been tired long ago. I've been tired of this marriage long ago.
Ken, you have not told me exactly what she did wrong. You have not. Is there something that I am missing? I mean, okay, did you catch her with another man? What exactly did she do?
Papa, see, all of a sudden she's becoming too busy. All of a sudden she's becoming too bossy. You can imagine I called my wife on the phone. My wife couldn't pick my call just because she was busy at the office attending to whatever she thinks that is more important to her. Just for her to come back home and say, I am sorry. The other day, she did the worst. You can imagine.
Ken.
What's going on? Why is she not picking my calls? She has been ignoring my calls for an hour now. That may not be what I'm thinking. She's cheating on me. Is she really cheating on me?
Dad.
Oh, boy. How are you?
I'm fine. Why are you talking to yourself?
No, I wasn't talking to myself. I was humming a song I learned when I was a little boy. You know, kind of.
Okay. Please, can I go and play outside?
Are you done with your siesta? It's okay. I'll go.
Thank you.
Be careful. I am going to follow her to make sure she's not cheating on me.
Well, sir, this is the place. It has about 6 bedrooms. And we are also planning to create a swimming pool at the back.
Okay. In that case, you will see my account officer tomorrow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Come very early to the office.
Thank you so much.
I will instruct him to initiate the payment.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's really been wonderful doing business with you. Well, we can still...
No, I'm okay. I'll see you. So tomorrow, come to the office.
Okay.
So you get in touch with the account officer.
Okay. Fine. So this job is more important than your husband. Yeah?
Only what is the problem?
The problem you're asking me. You can't even pick my call. Even if you pick, you talk briefly and you hang up the call. Why?
I'm so sorry. My phone has been in my car. It's been a crazy day. From board meetings to conference reports and now here. I'm so sorry.
Let me tell you something. This boss lady has to stop. I return from work late. You leave very early before I wake up. I don't even have time for my wife anymore. Because she's one manager in one construction company or what? Huh?
Okay, now, if you had wanted to correct me, why did you just wait for me to get back home before you do that? You didn't have to come here.
Oh, you see what I'm talking about? Boss lady, pride. Huh? You see what I'm talking about? Yeah? You're excellent in your work, but you do nothing at home.
Can you stop?
Stop what? I should stop what? I am tired of this marriage. Yes, I'm tired of it because he cannot work like this. He cannot work.
Ken.
You children of this generation, what do you actually want? Huh? You have a wife that is hardworking. You complain. She's not always at home. You have a wife that is lazy. You complain. She stays at home too much. What do you want? Ken, I put it to you that you've been harboring this for a long time now in your heart.
Papa, how is it possible that a woman who is dealing with plenty men in her office will not be cheating on her husband? How do you think it's possible? Papa, to be honest with you, the moment my wife starts ignoring my calls, my mind just left that marriage. I got tired of that marriage. My feelings for her died long ago.
Kene, you have not given any tangible reason for what you're doing. You have not. Rather, you are only displaying sheer stupidity. I think you are seeing another woman. That is why you are doing all this.
That is not the matter. That is not the matter. The matter here is I want to see my child. If they do not give me my son, I will take war to them if they don't want peace.
Now, let me ask you. Why are you so sure that that boy is actually your biological son? How are you sure? Huh? Have you gone to the hospital to do a paternity test for you to confirm that?
Papa, I don't need to go to anywhere. I don't need it at all. She isn't that tools to hold me there because I've told her that I don't want the marriage anymore.
Look, I know what you're doing. You are doing all this because she's incapable of having children again.
Papa, it's never my fault. It's never my fault at all because she has not been taking her routine drugs.
Kene, let me warn you. I will stop you from answering my name if you don't do exactly what I want you to do. You hear that?
Papa, what are you talking about? What is this now? Papa, as you can see, I'm no longer a child. I'm a grown man. So I have the authority to do what I want to do, to run my family the way I want it. Yes, I have the right to marry another wife if I want to. In fact, I'm getting married next month.
Really?
Yes, I said it and I will do it.
Well, since you insist on being stupid, let me break the bad news to you. Are you aware that the second surgery that you did ruined your manhood? Are you aware? Are you aware that that surgery made you become impotent?
What? What are you saying? Oh, Oh, she came here to feed you with those lies. Her tricks will never work.
Well, Ken, my son, if you think I am joking, go and consult any doctor. Your personal doctor, or any doctor for that matter, to confirm this. Perhaps you will bring down your weights.
Yes. Antibiotics. All right, fine. It's okay. It's okay. Yes, who's there? Excuse me, sir.
Good day, Doc.
Good day.
Doc, please, I'm looking for someone.
And who's
His
that?
name is Dr. Bjorn.
When did you see him last?
About 7 years ago.
He has been suspended by enemy for some life-threatening errors. But why do you want to see him?
I had a surgery here sometime in the past, and I need to know it was successful because I had something strange about my health that I'm not aware of.
Something strange like what?
My potency.
Please sit down.
Please help me. I need your help, please.
What is your name?
My name is Ken Ononuju.
Okay, excuse me. Your surgery was on 14th of April 2014.
Exactly.
Here's the result. If there's any confusion, let me know.
Oh my God. This cannot be.
I'm sorry about that, sir. That's the same mistake that Mr. Biodun made here that almost ruined our reputation.
Reputation? You have no reputation. If you had, this wouldn't have happened.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry.
We are ready to pay some reasonable amounts for compensation and for damages.
I don't need your money. Your money cannot bring back my manhood. Your money cannot bring back, or rather give me a child.
Please calm down, sir.
Don't tell me to calm down. Oh.
I'm sorry, sir. Please calm down, sir.
Chimo, there's so much going on around me. There's so much happening around me. There's so much confusion, so much commotion that could lead to destruction.
How do I wake up from this nightmare? How could she hide such a thing from me?
No, 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 but I'm confronted by one. By someone who used to be the one for me. Someone who meant a lot to me. Oh, can he come get me?
Brother, congratulations. I'm happy for you.
Where is my wife?
She's outside, but she's crying.
Why is she crying?
I don't know, but I think something is wrong somewhere.
Please, go out for me. Oh, my head is on fire. I am doomed. I'm just a piece of shit. No!
There's so much going on around me. There's so much happening around me. There's so much confusion, so much commotion that could lead to destruction. Yeah, I did not ask for this war. No, 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 but I'm confronted by one. By someone who used to be the one for me. Someone who meant a lot to me. Oh, can he come get me? Oh, get it, oh, get it, oh, get it, oh, can he come get me? Oh, get it, oh, get it, oh, can he come get me? Oh, get it, oh, get it, oh, can he come get me? So much betrayal around me, temptation.
Okay, it don't happen, no. Okay, it don't happen. You know, since I dey cry. You know, since I dey cry. You better ask me why I dey cry, Oga. Because if you hear am, Oga, you will cry past me. You will cry past me, Oga.
I told you to stop this whole son, but you wouldn't listen. Now go to the station and see what you've done.
What happened?
Who did you ask the police to arrest?
I asked them to arrest her.
Why did you ask them to arrest her?
Because she came here with a gun threatening to shoot me if I don't release her parents from the police station.
Bravo! Bravo! I mean, your father, you're proud of you. I guess you're proud of yourself also. Right?
What happened?
You asking me? No, are you asking me that question? Come and see things yourself. Come and see what you've done.
As you go round, causing commotion. Very soon you go regret your action.
Where is she?
Oga, that your wife na devil.
How?
We just dey try more know where he keep the gun. Before I come back, don't kill herself.
How?
I don't know.
Did you torture her?
No even touch her.
Then what? How should they kill herself?
Oga, I don't know.
Where is that dead body?
This way. Yeah.
This guy cannot be serious. What does he mean? Eh? Oh my, this guy cannot be.
Hey! Luchy! What did they do to my sister? This is true.
You've seen it. Now you've seen it. I tried talking to you, but you wouldn't listen. Look at what you've made the whole family go through. All because you... Now eat our corpse. Eat our corpse! You have caused the death of your only sister, your only blood sister. Wicked man!
Hey! 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 Killed my sister.
You just cannot continue like this. Maybe you should go tell your father what has happened.
But where do I start from? How do I tell my father this? What am I going to tell him? But I am broken.
There's a more reason you would have slowed down when I was begging you to slow down. Now look at where we are.
My sister is gone. My only sister is gone. What do I do? Tell me, what do I do?
Let us go and tell your father what has happened. I mean, there is no need standing here lamenting and weeping.
Gee, where do I start from? You've seen it? And I caused this. She caused it. I always tell you that she's caused. But you believe me.
Will you stop blaming Anne for crying out loud? I mean, if you've listened to me, all this wouldn't have happened. If you didn't go arrest her parents, obviously she wouldn't have come here with a gun. Maybe sometime you will learn from this. Maybe whenever a friend tells you something, you take the advice seriously. Let's go and tell your father what has happened. That's the only option. Let's go.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please, I'm looking for my friend that lived here 10 years ago. I just came back from Australia today.
Okay. And why don't you call the person on the phone?
I don't have her number. That's the problem. And actually, I'm looking for my girlfriend who happens to be her best friend too.
Oh.
So I decided to come and see if she can help me locate her. Her name is Joanne.
And who are you?
My name is Blaze.
Okay, excuse me. You can come inside.
Oh, that's very kind of you. Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable while I call her.
Thank you very much. What is wrong with her?
She lost a friend.
Please. Anne is gone. She's dead.
What did you just say?
They killed her.
Who killed her?
She was having issues with her husband. Then he sent the police after her. They killed her by mistake.
Oh, no, it can't be true.
That's okay, please.
Ewo Chimo There's so much going on around me. There's so much happening around me. There's so much confusion, so much commotion that could lead to destruction. Yeah, I did not ask for this war. No, 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 no. But I'm confronted by one. By someone who used to be the one for me. Someone who meant...
Good day, Papa. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, Papa. You are good.
Kenny?
Papa.
The way you are looking so humbled and sober, it appears you listened to my suggestion and went to the hospital to confirm that what I was saying is the truth. Am I right?
Papa, I've done the biggest mistake of my life. I wish the ground would open and swallow me.
Well, it will not be your biggest mistake if you hurriedly go now, seek your wife, and reconcile with her before she introduces your son to another man as his own son.
Papa, I'm sorry.
Well, you don't owe me any apology. You owe that to your wife. Go and look for her and make sure you reconcile with her immediately. By the way, have you released our in-laws?
Papa, something has happened.
Well, if you want to talk about it, you can go ahead. I'm all ears. But no matter how you look at it, you owe that woman your love and respect for the sacrifice she has made for you. No woman will be able to keep that kind of secret for the sake of love.
Papa, it's not on my condition. Something worse than that has happened.
Did anything happen to our in-laws that you locked up in the police cell?
It's not our in-laws.
Has anything happened to Anne?
No.
So, what happened now?
Papa, I didn't even know that the whole mistake was something else. They came to arrest her instead of Anne.
You are confusing me. What are you talking about?
Papa, I didn't ask them to torture her. I went to the police station and they told me that they tortured her and she died.
Tortured who? Who died?
I don't even know how to tell you this. I don't even know. Papa, please. You have to get hold of yourself, please. Please.
Buchi, what happened? Who died?